Hey guys, I discovered something here just a minute ago. My front yard over here is super dry and dry over there. I've got some dry issues going on here. And so I turned the sprinklers on this zone and I've got this one going just a little bit. This one's going. Looks like I've got a head right here. I've got a head right over here. Got a head over there that are not coming up. And so I left that baby on, and take a look at this. Can you guys see this bubble? Look at that. That's awesome. So see this bubble right here? That's freaking awesome. I've seen these bubbles, I've seen these things on YouTube, but I have never seen one in my yard. So it looks like this is gonna be some sort of a little renovation. I guess I'm gonna have to dig up right here and see what's going on, see what happened. Hopefully it's not a tree root or something. Ooh, I probably know what happened. Probably, yeah, that's soft right there. So I'm betting that when I was pounding this stake in, you know what happened. There's a main line running right through here that feeds these heads. I was using a post pounder to pound these in, and you know what happened. Pound, 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 post pounder, snapped right through the line, baby. So that's gonna be an adventure for me. Look at that thing, it's just coming out bad right there. It's coming out bad, so I guess I now know why I've got some dry areas through here. So that's a fun little issue. So these are the adventures that I deal with. Look at that, it's kind of like a waterbed. Remember that 1980s and 90s where we had the waterbed? Look at that, that's freaking awesome. I wonder what would happen if I punch a hole in it and watch the water come flying out of there. So anyways, wanted to show you guys this because I just discovered it. We got a big pool of water going on right there. Obviously, we're just pumping water into this. So I'm kind of glad. I'm probably going to start right there and see what I got going on and see if that's the problem right there. But I mean, until then, it's kind of cool, right? So I'm gonna go shut the water off. Here's my valve. I'm gonna shut this baby off. And that's too dang bad, really, that went down like that. But let's turn this one on. Okay, so I've got some dry issues right in here too. So I need to figure out why this is so dry in here. So maybe I need to diagnose this sprinkler head right here. Whoa. That one seems okay. So I need that head over there to come all the way over to here, and I don't think that's happening, which is a real pisser offer. That's why I don't like these rotor heads right here. So this one needs to come all the way over. Whoa, it kind of does, but I don't know. I think I'm just gonna have to leave that one on for like 45, maybe an hour or two. I know I'm pretty bad. I leave the water on for a really long time. Hey, what do you do when you've got dry grass? I live in a dry climate, folks. This is a dry place, high desert environment, dry. So you've got to have underground sprinklers if you want something to work. So while this one's going on, let's go check that other bubble. It's kind of funny. My wife did say there was a big puddle of water here. I thought it was just because the sprinklers were on too long, but obviously I've got an issue here. So here's where that bubble was right here, and it's gone down quite a bit. I'm almost certain that the problem that I've got is going to be right here, because that is super soft. It is. Oh man, hopefully that doesn't kill the tree. You know, these are the kind of things that you learn from. And this is how you learn how to fix crap. When something happens, you gotta do something about it. You wanna call a repairman? So my wife calls me the repairman. She says, you know, you need to call a repairman. That's me. Repairman in my house gets special favors, so. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that. That's kind of what I got going on here, and it looks like it's kind of coming down a little, going down a little bit. It's kind of fun.